Do you want to watch YouTube videos and Netflix while you're driving down the road because you're insane? Well, do we have the product for you? The Streamtoyourcar device will turn any Android Auto or Apple CarPlay car into a media center. And we have one here, and we're in the 2021 Audi RSQ8. And we're going to show you how to set it up and then a few of the quirks that we ran into when trying to operate this thing. And the first thing you're going to want to do to set this baby up, grab your installation instructions and throw them out the window because they are absolutely useless. All you really need to know is you find whether your car has USB-C, which is the new universal plug it any way you want cable, or so we thought. Or you have a USB-A, like my Volkswagen Golf, which worked perfectly the first time I tried to use it. One little nuance to the USB-C, you have to make sure you put the cable that has the USB symbol on it into the car side. So we'll take that, we'll connect that to the car side, the USB-C side onto the USB-C side. I think they leave this port over here so you can still charge a phone if you need to. Yeah, let's test that real quick. Plug this in, plug this in. Well, it's not charging my phone. Anywho's, once you get that plugged in, you go to wherever your apps are on your car. So in this car, we go to Apple CarPlay, and there is the device. Now, to get it to actually stream stuff, what you can do is go here, you go to wireless LAN, you go settings, wireless LAN, and then you select the hotspot of your phone. So I selected mine. You can set it to any any name or any password combination, just as long as you know what it is. So you select that, and then you're ready to rock and roll. So now we can go into more apps. We can go to YouTube, and we can watch YouTube right from our car. Hello and welcome to RV Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we're doing front brake pads and rotors on the Mazda Miata. It's a 1996 Mazda Miata NA. Mazda Miata MX-5. As you can see, first things first, we're gonna crack loose the, well, first you want to, as crazy as it is, you gotta take your wheels off. Then once you're done doing that, crack this. I can go in park, I can go in drive, I can go in reverse. 15mm on the bottom. And it is still playing. 16mm